What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl DOPEaxxPANA, aka the Grip Goat, guys, because I literally barred these box braids, okay? This client had about 1 inch of hair pretty much all the way around, and the nape of the neck, it was a little bit shorter. I did try to blow it out a little bit just to try to get as much length as possible, but baby, when I tell you I grabbed onto this hair, like I was like, oh my god, I couldn't believe I did this. So I was super excited to share this video with you guys. I know you guys call this a twa, and I had made a video before. Actually, I think you guys call it a TWA, but I call it a twa. I had made a video before, and I was like, what is a twa? A twa stands for teeny weeny afro. If you guys are not part of the natural community and you didn't know that, boom, there you go. So yes, I'm doing box braids on a very, very, very twa. Can you say a teeny twa? Does that even make sense? Anyway, so my client is in the process of actually growing her hair back out. She was like, I want braids so bad. Do you think I can grip your hair? And I was thinking in my head, like, no, probably not. But I was like, man, this would be a super cool video. So typically for a normal client, for me, I would require 4 inches of hair on their head, and that's just mainly because this is very hard on the hands trying to grip this much hair. And then also just the integrity of the braids. Like I told her in the back, some of these might end up slipping out. I just like want to make sure that I'm giving my client a quality and lasting style, so that's why I typically don't do box braids or any type of braids on anything less than 4 inches. But I had to flex one time on y'all because people always love to comment and talk about, oh, braiders always talking about they can't grip or their clients need to show up like this and like that. So I just kind of had to really flex my talent one time because a while back I really did used to grip on and do box braids on whatever type of braids I could. But just recently, since I've started braiding more, I'm like, these are my money makers. My hands are my money makers, and I really need to take care of them. So I haven't been doing it. But I hope you guys truly enjoyed this video. I'm listing all the products that I use in the description section below. If you guys are wondering why she's holding on to the braids, is just to prevent it from slipping, and also it does pull a little bit, so sometimes clients just naturally do that, and that's totally fine with me. But yes, guys, watch me bar and slay this period. Like, there's nothing you can tell me right now. I really barred it, so I can't wait for you guys to see her transformation. Make sure you guys keep watching. If you love this video, share it, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video.
Oh